Hey, what's going on, fellow Bitcoiners? I'm King.
And I'm Bitcoin Zay.
And we are here with another episode of Altcoins We Buy.
Oh yeah, altcoins we buy.
What is today's altcoin we're buying?
Today's altcoin is Metal.
Metal.
METAL, not MEDAL, no medallion, but Metal. Very ambitious company. Actually, started with the process of having digital money like other people have, but they want it so that all you need is a phone number. Which actually is very, very big thing in the crypto space, because a lot of people are like, well, how are we going to bridge the gap between crypto minds and consumers? And if you tell a consumer, yeah, it's global, distributed, it's a blockchain, and you go through all that, they're like, okay, well, how can I use it?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, so companies like Metal are basically taking the underlying effects of crypto, which is easy payments back and forth, low fees, and they're using it through their Metal processing altcoin. They actually have a different protocol called proof of process payments, meaning that if you are proven to process payments, you can actually use Metal, you earn more Metal. So it actually encourages a spending economy using it so that you can get a small percentage back, sort of similar to the 1% cash reward some of you might get with Chase or some of these other banks. They're starting to implement it like 10x. They're starting to implement rewards programs for using the coin so that liquidity won't be a problem long term.
And this is something that's actually good when coins, tokens, companies, whatever you call it in this blockchain, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency sector, whenever they have these incentives like that, I think it's good because they're bringing the community into it. That's going to help the education and, of course, the mainstream adoption, which will finally help with the price of it. You get people involved. So I think that's a good thing. I don't know why did you choose the name Metal?
I'm not sure. Maybe they wanted to have something shocking.
Look
compared
good
to
on
gold or silver.
Yeah,
gold,
right.
Silver, metal. I don't know, whatever. But I do know they were invested in by a big name, Eric Voorhees, who was behind a lot of projects. Let's see, Shapeshift. He's behind Prism. That's coming out soon. He's a big name in there, so he was invested. He
was with BitInstant at first as well,
wasn't he? With them at first, yeah.
And so. BitInstant and all those guys with Charlie Shrum and Roger Ver, they all with that BitInstant they had. They were some of the innovators of the Bitcoin and crypto era. Those guys are responsible for things that happen today, like Bitcoin surpassing the market cap of PayPal.
Yeah. Like
we said on our last video, oftentimes we follow, the big names and their new companies that they're starting up because they have a lot at stake. They have a lot at stake to lose. So, but of course, let's talk about the money aspect of it. This coin has been out for 1 month, I believe.
1 month. Yeah.
It's been out for 1 month, 30 days. As you can see, we're starting to get to shorter and shorter time frames as far as some of the coins we're looking at because they're brand new. They're relatively inexpensive, and if you give it another 6 months to a year, who knows what can happen next. But in 1 month, Metal hit the exchanges at $1.24, and it went up to $8.16 in 1 month.
30 days.
30 days, they had an increase of 558%.
Oh, yeah.
How about them gains? 558% in 30 days.
Yeah.
I know nothing else out there.
Close.
With $1,000, that would have gave you, if you put $1,000 in when the first exchange at $1.24, that would have gave you a return of $5,580.
Woo!
In 1 month, $1,000 would have got you $5,580 back. Everything's been said that needs to be said. This is, once again, something that's relatively new. With most of these, who knows if it's going to last or not, but with 558% in their first month, I think there's still money to be made here in the short term.
Especially with coins like Strat that were going 13,000, coins that were going 7,000%.
After
some of those
6 months.
Yeah, exactly. So 3 to 6 months, we could be sitting here like, well, 500 wasn't anything because they actually went, whatever. So yeah, you got to think long term and think about these coins just at the beginning. The use case for it it's a big market.
Big market. New coins every day. Today's word or phrase of the day is...
let's do Voorhees.
Voorhees.
Just switch it up.
And that's Eric Voorhees.
Eric Voorhees. Voorhees. And I do want to say some of these names that we throw out in videos, you might want to research, look them up.
I was just going to say it too.
Because in the future, when you see these names pop up on another foundation or some investor group,
they're going to be popping up everywhere.
You might want to pay attention. That's one good signal I would say for some of these companies is some of the bigger names people trust. They don't invest in bullshit.
Yeah,
So.
and not just advising either. A lot of them, well, I won't say a lot of them. Sometimes people will get paid or make some type of deal to get on these new companies as advisors, whatever, because it boosts that company reputation. They can put it on the exchange at a higher price. But as Bitcoin Zay said, even on a bigger scale, a lot of these innovators in the space, you know, the Eric Voorhees, the Roger Vers, all these guys who made a lot of money early on, and even the original Barry Silberts, you know, there's many names, but they are going to be the thought leaders and influencers of our country, of multiple countries internationally in the next few years here. They were there early, they made a lot of money, and they're here to stay. So Voorhees is the special word of the day. Put that in quotes with your public key to get that free Bitcoin that we give out in every video.
Oh, yeah.
And as always, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, here on YouTube, and on Twitter at Kirby Crypto, KRBECRYPTO. Thanks for watching.